Good morning! Good morning tuod, mantikaw. Mauna siya ang finished product kanina. Steamed fish with wine. And then, like omelette, egg omelette. And then shrimp. Then eggplant. Eggplant and egg lang yan, saka salt. So, hindi ko na pinakita yung proseso paano yung pagluto ng eggplant with egg kasi madali lang naman siya. Pwede mo namang iihaw or isugba. Tapos panitan. Tapos lagyan ng itlog. Yun lang. Tapos yan. Ito beef. Yan baka. Yan rice yan siya. Yun lang yung rice. Ang liit lang. Kunti lang yung rice. Yan. Rice. That's it.